Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to control your home appliance via your voice. So you can trigger your lights, maybe your TV set to turn on and off through your voice. Maybe say your security lights, maybe turn on security light, turn off security light. So I'm gonna show you a smaller project which it's possible when you finalize the project. It's possible to control your TV using your mouth or your lights or any appliance, any electrical appliance. So let's go into it. So I got an LED here attached to a digital pin of the Arduino, and I got a voice recognition module VR. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to activate this LED using my mouth. Yeah, it's a bit funny, but yeah, you can control. So the keyword I'll be saying it's record on and record off. On, off, record on, off. So whenever I say record on, the LED activates. Whenever I say off, the LED goes off.